Managing loan payments: full, partial, revert, and overpayment. Click on View All Loans and select the specific loan you want to collect the payment. Click on the Receive Payment button. If the borrower is making a full payment, click on Full Payment to complete the transaction. If the borrower is making a partial payment, click on Partial Payment, enter the amount paid, and add any penalty if applicable. Then click Save. If you need to revert a payment, you can do so to undo any changes made. If the borrower has overpaid, click on Overpayment, enter the extra amount received, and save. You will notice that the number of installments has reduced accordingly. If the borrower has not paid, click on Not Paid, provide a reason, and save. The system will automatically add a penalty, and the installment will be carried forward, increasing the loan tenure. Thank you for watching this video. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon.